How to download and install Blacksmith Wukong on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Blacksmith Wukong on PC. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Steam. And after that, as you can see, it took me to the official Steam website, and you just have to click on uh, login or sign up to the Steam account. And after logging in, you just have to simply click on the store, and here you can see a search bar here, and you just have to simply type the game name Black Myth Wukong. As you can see, it's already suggesting me. I'll just click on it, and as you can see, you have to add your age, because this game may content not appropriate for all ages or may not be appropriate for viewing at work, violent. So you have to give your birth date and year here, and you must be at least 18 years old. So after that, you have to click on view page, and as you can see, this is the official game, and you can see the buy Black Myth Wukong or Wukong Digital Deluxe Edition. You can buy any of them, whichever you like. And let's say we'll just buy it, so we'll have to click on add to cart. So after that, you can see here the cart. Let's say view my cart, and you just have to give your payment details here to buy the game, and you just have to continue to payment. And as you can see that there are multiple options like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB. You can just simply click any of them, whichever you prefer to pay. And after the payment is done, you can see the Wukong is on your profile. And as you can see, the Wukong will be on your view list, and you can then just download and install the game from there. And after that, you can just simply play the Wukong, Blacksmith Wukong on your PC successfully. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.